Did you know that studying abroad can boost your employment prospects by up to 80%? Or that an education loan can make this dream a reality, even when funds seem scarce? Indeed, education loans are the stepping stones to the world of limitless possibilities. Now imagine being able to navigate the education loan application process like a pro. Sounds good, doesn't it? Well, that's exactly what's about to happen. Buckle up as we journey through the simple steps of securing an education loan for studying abroad. Step 1. Research. Before diving into the application process, it's crucial to conduct thorough research on the various loan options available. Look for a loan that suits your needs best, considering factors like interest rates, repayment period, and the loan amount. Step 2. Eligibility check. Once you've found the right loan, it's time to check if you meet the eligibility criteria. Most banks require borrowers to be Indian nationals, accepted into a recognized foreign university, and have a co-applicant with a steady income. Step 3. Document preparation. The next step involves gathering the necessary documents. Typically, these include proof of admission, academic records, identity and address proof, and income proof of the co-applicant. Step 4. Loan application. Next, fill out the loan application form. Provide all the necessary details and ensure that all the information is accurate to avoid any potential hiccups. Step 5. Loan approval. Once the form is submitted, the bank will verify your details and assess your repayment capacity. If everything checks out, your loan will be approved and the bank will issue a sanction letter. Step 6. Agreement signing. The final step is signing the loan agreement. After reading and understanding the terms and conditions, sign the agreement to seal the deal. And there you have it. 6 simple steps to secure an education loan for studying abroad. To recap, start by conducting thorough research on loan options and then check your eligibility. Prepare and submit your documents, fill out the loan application form, and wait for the approval. Finally, sign the agreement and you're all set. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and with this guide, you're already one step closer to your dream of studying abroad. So why wait? Start your journey today and let education loans pave the way to your future. But what if I told you there's an even easier way? Meet Crunchfinn, your hassle-free solution for securing education loans. With Crunchfinn, the process becomes as easy as 1, 2, 3. No more juggling between different websites and comparing rates. Everything you need is right here at Crunchfinn. So why not give it a try? Visit www.crunchfinn.com today and take the first step towards making your dream of studying abroad a reality.